Hey guys, what's going on? Super excited to see the happy faces again because I wasn't recording video for a couple of weeks right now. I was busy with my clients showing properties and listed new properties and put them on the market. But today I will talk about strictly real estate, about what's happening on Seattle's Eastside market, cities like Bellevue, Kirkland, Redmond, Sammamish, Issaquah, Newcastle, Woodinville. Let's find out where the market is moving, going up or down, but first things first, let's roll my intro.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do.
Alright, what's happening in Seattle's Eastside market? We have over 1,200 homes on the market right now for sale. And we have over 500 homes actually sold in March. We have 1.2 months of inventory. So we're still in the seller's market because we don't have a lot of inventory, but average price decreases here in Seattle's Eastside for 1%. But no decrease equal in each city. Each city is different, but we have few winners where the price actually increased comparable to 12 months ago. So number one, the winner, city of Renton, price increase 11%. So not surprisingly, following Renton is city of Monroe and Snohomish area, prices increased for 4.4%. For 600,000 you probably can buy new construction home. Following Snohomish, city of Kirkland, the price was increased for 3%. Following Kirkland, Redmond, price increase 2.5%. And good news for my Raven fans from Sammamish. Finally, prices went up right now, so in price increase comparable to last year for 2.3%. It's a good news. And following those cities is Woodinville, Bothell, Juanita area, price increase this year for 1.5%. In the rest of the cities like Mercer Island, Bellevue, Issaquah, price was actually decreased very significantly in some locations. It's still in the seller's market right now because 54% of the all homes sold within 15 days and 25% of the all home sold over asking price. What's drive strong residential real estate market on the east side? In cities like Kirkland, Redmond, North Bellevue, Overlake area, clearly very strong growth of IT industry, and especially after announcement of Amazon to relocate 8,000 people from Seattle to Bellevue. That announcements make huge impact on the East Side market. A lot of people ask me the same questions. Oleg, is it a good time to buy a house right now or not? Maybe wait for another year. And not just you guys, but a lot of real estate brokers confused as well, and mine is very divided. Some brokers thinking it's a good time to buy right now because interest rate is low and it's not going to be the same forever. If interest rate will increase, it will decrease the buyer power for a lot. I'm sure every one of you guys have very specific situation, depends on your life, your style and what you love to do. You see my number on the screen. Reach out to me, call me. I would love to review your situations. I'll give you my advice, what I'm thinking is good for you, good for your family, good for your future, and I will be excited to be a real estate resource. If you like this video, smash like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for my future episodes. Make a fantastic week.